this video, we will explore more features of the ZRemesher. Let's get started with the Use Polypaint function. By using color information, this function expertly guides the new topology's interpretation, ensuring precision and seamless results. These colors significantly influence the polygonal density of the model. The color red creates a higher density, while the color blue generates a lower density in the painted areas. In regions without any paint, the calculation automatically takes full control of the polygon density itself. All the mentioned colors are automatically selected using the color density slider. To apply these colors, we simply use the standard brush tool set to RGB mode. Let's ensure that both addition and subtraction modes are turned off. And then we can start painting some areas of our model. When we're finished, we click on ZRemesher once again. By enabling the object mesh, we can see how the polygonal density in the painted areas has adjusted accordingly. Very practical. We also have the convenient option to remesh isolated areas defined by the green selection mask separately. Let's do this quickly. As we can see, the ZRemesher has kept all non-isolated areas unchanged while recalculating the isolated area and seamlessly connecting it to the rest of the object. And finally, we have the Freeze Groups option. This option retopologizes each polygroup independently and effectively retains them in the new topology. One last example. We'll create several different polygroups and then allow our object to be recalculated with the Freeze Groups option enabled. As we can see, we did not lose our polygroups through the recalculation. These are beautifully integrated with the rest of the object. In the next video, we will explore the panel loops function.